In today's video, we're going to find out why you're not late to this major altcoin season, what we're going to see exactly now, because yes, we're going to look at the total 3 market cap, and I'm going to show you exactly what is about to happen, because yes, we saw this major pump for the overall crypto market, including Solana, that saw this major pump exactly from my call, exactly around the levels of $16, we saw this pump of 1000%, and yes, at the moment we are seeing this dip for the overall crypto market, and yes, Solana went even down 44%. But guys, what is this 44% correction after this massive 1000% move towards the upside? We're going to look at the charts, and yes, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know and why we're going to see this massive altcoin season. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, because yes guys, I could expect that we're going to see one last shakeout for the overall crypto market, that we could see that the price of Bitcoin comes all the way back down to the 61.8 and also the 100 moving average on the daily chart, which is exactly at the level of 58,000. But I think this is going to be a fast move and a fast correction towards the upside, just to scare a lot of people out of the market, because yes, like I told you in the previous video, a lot of people invested at the top and now they're in a loss. So yes guys, the market wants you to sell exactly here, and then the market pumps towards the upside and you're going to rebuy exactly here after we saw this massive pump towards the upside. So don't be fooled and hold on to your cryptocurrencies. So yes, like I told you a few weeks ago, I think it was around about 2 weeks ago, that I could expect the sideways consolidation and this absolute boredom. I expect exactly this is going to happen over the course of the Bitcoin halving. And if you don't know what the Bitcoin halving is, make sure to watch my previous video exactly now, because yes, I think we're going to see the sideways consolidation, and after the Bitcoin halving, we could expect this massive parabolic run towards the upside, maybe even exactly at the Bitcoin halving, that we could see that the price of Bitcoin comes back above this very important range over the 23.6. This would be our bullish indication that we could expect that yes, we're going to take out the previous all-time high. But ultimately guys, like I told you, I could expect this last fake out and this last shakeout, but there's no any difference in buying exactly here or even here, because if we look at the price movement, if we're going to get this last shakeout phase from the current price movement all the way to my bearish case, this would be a dump of 6%. So yes, in the immediate short term, you would lose 6% exactly here. But guys, if you're going to buy in exactly here, if we're going to break the previous all-time high, you missed out on some major profits. If you just would have bought exactly here, all the way to the all-time high, this would be a percentage loss of 17% that you missed out on. So guys, don't be fooled and dollar cost average into Bitcoin. But yes, we could expect this massive altcoin season, because if we go over to the total 3 market cap, which is the market cap of all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and also Ethereum, we can see exactly here we had the previous Bitcoin halving, and exactly afterwards we saw this major pump towards the upside from the total 3 market cap up to 1800% to the previous all-time high. And yes guys, we're exactly at this space where we could expect that the overall crypto market is going to see this major push towards the upside, because history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, and we could expect the same scenario exactly here. And yes, even in the price movement of Bitcoin, we could always see this consolidation through the Bitcoin halving, but afterwards we saw this parabolic run towards the upside. So yes, don't get fooled out of your position, because if there's blood in the street, this usually is the best opportunity to invest. Because if we go over to Link, exactly here we had the previous Bitcoin halving, and afterwards we saw that Link went up 1300%. And yes guys, if you watched my previous video, I've invested into Link, because with all the reward asset, this narrative is really going to drive this bull market. So ultimately guys, we could see the same scenario, that Link is at the moment consolidating, and we saw this dump exactly as we saw before the previous Bitcoin halving, this dump towards the downside in this overall consolidation phase, and we're seeing this consolidation and also this dump, and I would invest exactly here, because yes, with all this reward assets, Link is really going to see this push over the previous all-time high, and this would be a great investment exactly here. And yes guys, I also told you on Solana to enter exactly here, but what did Solana do at the previous Bitcoin halving? If we're going to zoom out on the weekly chart, which was exactly here on the 11th of May 2020, where we saw that Solana, after the Bitcoin halving, so this major parabolic run, and yes, we went up 44,000%. Maybe we're not going to get this 44,000% in this cycle, but ultimately guys, buying exactly here, if you missed this major move towards the upside, guys, this is just a major opportunity, and yes, this is a 34% correction at the moment, so you're getting Solana on a 34% discount if you missed this major move towards the upside. And keep in mind guys, if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, make sure to go down in the video description below and sign up with these links where you receive a major deposit bonus and also reduced fees. And guys, if you missed all my previous video, make sure to subscribe, smash up the like button, because yes, we made some major profits on all of these investments. And guys, yes, now's the best opportunity to dollar cost average into these cryptocurrencies, because like I told you, yes, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, and we could expect this major push towards the upside after the Bitcoin halving. The altcoin season 2024 will start. Just like the previous cycle, the total 3 market cap on the weekly chart gives us this indication. And yes guys, I'm making this call that we could expect this massive altcoin season, and now's the best opportunity to dollar cost average. And make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, because yes, I'm going to upload a dedicated video which altcoins you should hold in your portfolio. But guys, for this I need at least 1000 views on this channel, so share this content, smash up the like button, and make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.